Well, hello again, it's me, Darren. I'm in the shed doing my carrots. So, as you can see, I've got a 30 litre bucket full. Well, not full to the brim, but full. Now I've sieved it. Now, the recommended thing is to sieve half compost and half builder's sand. Don't ask us which particular one, but I haven't done this one. I'm going to try it. Just sieved compost, see what it's like. Is it worth finding around putting the sand in? I know it probably makes it finer for the carrots. So I'm going to do one with and one without. So it's been sieved. And to do that, I've ended up with all of this. So that just shows you how much stuff is actually in the soil before I've sieved it. I've used a 5mm sieve, which I'd got from an old workplace years and years ago. So I've used that. It works great. Plus as well, any weevils, not always in the thing. So out of all of that sieved, I only found one. So quite lucky. And I'm going to chuck it outside because there's a little robin out there. That's going for the little bits I'm chucking out there. But like I said, I only had one weevil in there. So as you can see how fine it is, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll flatten it the best I can. And the seeds I'm going to be sowing, I have got other ones as well, but I've got carrot black nebula, 300 seeds. Now I'm going to try, because last year when I did a tester, I just sowed them all over, I didn't thin them out, and you know, obviously between loads of the carrots, I had big carrots and small carrots, but I'm going to try and do it as thin as I can. So the other one I've got here is Purple Sun. So showing you the inside. So 180 seeds. I don't know why you get less. But yeah. And then I was given these as well for my birthday. Lush. There's it. There's a carrot there, so I'm not sure if that's the same carrot as that carrot, but we'll just have a look, see what it's like. What does it got it on there to see which one it is? It hasn't, has it? Really. Anyway, that's going to be sown into here. So like I says, I'm going to get the builder sand. Like I says, you're meant to get the fine type, but this is just lying around on the plot. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Sow them. We'll come back in a second. So the seeds for the black nebula were quite big, so I've put them, trying to do them individually. Some aren't. So all I do after that, nothing special. It says this soil's slightly damp. It's not dry. I don't want to get dry. All I'm going to do is get me 5mm and just go over the top. Simple as that. Just a light coat, nothing major. Goes back in there, and then when I get the hose out, I'll basically do a fine mist over the top. Like it says, the soil, as you can see, it holds. It's slightly damp. Touch it and it just crumbles, but that's obviously finer. So when I get the hose out, like I said, I'll put a fine mist on there. Obviously label it up. I thought the carrot that I've just looked at here was the same as that one, but that's, as I said, black nebula and carrot purple haze. So a different one as well. So I'll be doing that, them 3 types and other ones as well. So like I says, for years, if you've watched the ones from last year, for years I couldn't grow carrots properly. I used to always think, you know, you grew them, then you transplanted them. I tried sieving the soil, etc, etc. I tried using good soil, bad soil, whatever. And then someone says, basically, sow direct, and that's it. Sieve it, obviously half compost, half sand, and that's it. Don't touch it. And it worked. So this year I'm doing it again. But obviously I'm trying to like spread the seeds out a bit, and if they are too close I will be thinning them out, just to get that big carrot. I got some lovely carrots at Christmas time, purple ones. So yeah, I say as we're doing them ones, so give it a go. I know some people on the plots have got like raised beds. Obviously you have to have a certain height for the carrot fly, but if you don't disturb them they should be all right. Mine were. They were left in from last year, so I just whatever was left I chucked into the chicken coop and they ate all them. But yeah, happy with the ones that I got last year. So I'm hoping these ones, I'll have a look, see, does it actually indicate what length it does, what length it goes. Does it say in drills? I don't do drills, you know what I mean. Space limited, growing cow, doesn't say what or length it goes. Doesn't really say, does it? Obviously they look long, but yeah, I'm looking forward to these ones. See what you know what I mean. They might not taste any different, but yeah. Anyway, that's me doing the carrots. So I'll be getting on sowing quite a few pots. Obviously it's a bit laborious having to like sieve this to get a pot of that, but the results is great. If you can get compost that's fine like that, fine, but I like to obviously sieve it. And all this here won't go to waste. Once I sieve all these pots, probably about 4 or 5 of them, that'll just be going back into there, because you know this is good stuff here that, you know, all the plants, you know, feed into. It's all good stuff, you know, like old charcoal, fire stuff and everything. Anyway, it's bye from me. Good luck with your carrots. Obviously you might do a different way, but this is easier for me because I'm moving around. Anyway, draw. So another quick video. So my own soil sieved, half and half, compost, my compost, sand, and then this one is spent peat compost, which I've sieved down. That's quite fine. So they're all like purple carrots, so I'll probably sow some next week. So yeah, glad I got them sorted. I am gonna, like I say, these are all the purple carrots. I want some obviously orange carrots, but yeah, it takes a while to sieve it if that's what you want to do. I have got some parsnips here which I've put in little pots there. Really, these should be in here, but we'll see how they turn out anyway. So yeah, there's my carrots, start of them. I think last year I started them mid-April, so I'm about 2 or 3 weeks behind, but they'll soon catch up once it warms up. Anyway, bye. Well, hello, I'm in the shed, back again, part 2 for the carrots. Now if you watched the first one, I did 3 types of soil. It was an experiment to see how germination, how the soil would when I water them, would it dry out quicker, would it be okay, etc. So the first one is my homemade compost. Homemade compost, half, sand half, 50-50. Peat from last year, was kindly given, it's given that. All this is reused from last year. Bear in mind, carrots do not like rich soil, so it didn't really matter about that. I did last year when I did half and half, like 50-50, the sand and homemade compost, worked great. So I just wanted to see water retention, etc. So as you can see, germination has been okay. There wasn't many seeds in this packet, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Quite a few's come up, and it's still, I bought this a couple of days ago, and it's still, as you can see, it's still moist, damp. It's not bone dry. The 50-50, them coming up, lovely. I don't know why it's coming up more over here. Probably how I scattered it. What's that like? That seems okay as well. You say about carrots, you don't want to overwater the soil because you want the carrot to go down. So the taproot goes down, which obviously makes the carrot longer. And then we'll come to the peat one. Bear in mind, all these seeds that I've put in here are brand new. They went 2 years, 3 years, brand new. These ones I was kindly given on my birthday. So they're brand new. Now, can you see? There's not a single carrot. Not a single one. Obviously, these are just weed seeds that must be in the peat when I got it. Actually, the funny thing is, when they were popping up, I thought, well, are these a different type of carrot, where they come up like more like that, and then the proper carrot head comes through. That's what I actually thought. Thought maybe it's a different type of carrot, but not a single one. Like I say, each one has been. Like, look how dry. Even, yep, go down, right. There's a bit of moisture there, right. So why has it not germinated in here? Is this peat that I was given peat free? Is maybe that's what it is, and it isn't actually peat. It was peat free peat. So I don't know. Maybe that's what it is. I just find it strange how I've sown in each one brand new seed, and not a single carrot has popped up in here. Maybe it was just a fluke. Maybe it was drying out too quick because of what it was. I always find peat dries out quicker than me homemade stuff. That's out of there. So it has been. It was 3 weeks gone Sunday. 3 weeks gone Sunday. No, 3 weeks gone Saturday that I did them. And I have seen the trick of when you sow them in a line. You put the plank of wood for the moisture. But I had great success doing it this way last year with the half and half sand, homemade. And obviously it seems, you know what I mean? It seems better using that. Maybe I don't have to fanny on doing half sand, half homemade. Maybe I can just do that, if that's the simplest thing. But that obviously hasn't worked at all. So I'll give it another week. I'll keep watering it, give it another week and see how it turns out. I am disappointed, but like I say, that's the reason why I did the experiment, to see how it turns out. You know, because every one of them has been sieved with a 5mm sieve, so it's fine. So there's no, like I says, the way it's been treated, the soil, there's no difference, like I says, bar what it is, homemade 50-50 peat, all peat. So whether that, like I said, whether that was a non-peat soil that I was given, I don't know. But yeah, or whether there was still nutrients, whether it was peat and there's still a lot of nutritious soil, and that's the reason why none of them are germinated. So yeah, very, very strange. Anyway, I'll give it a water again. I'll probably give it another week, and if it doesn't germinate, any of them, I will be incorporating it into my compost pile anyway, so it won't go to waste. You know what it is, the funny thing is, I can just imagine I chuck this on the compost pile and all of a sudden I've got carrots popping up everywhere. That's my luck in it. So anyway, there you go. That was a little update for you, because people were saying keep us posted, but I just wanted to make sure it was good a few weeks after, once to start popping through. So it's bye from me to you. Happy sowing, happy growing, whatever you're doing, whatever carrot, hope it's going well. See you later, bye.